Hey guys, how's it going? So I am feeling pretty stoked because my new marching snare drum head just came in the mail, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the head on my marching snare drum, but I figured I'd share with you the process for replacing. So let's get to it. All right, so we have everything we need to replace our drum head. We have the replacement drum head, obviously. We also have a high tension drum key and some white lithium grease, which will act to lubricate the tension rods, and some paper towels as well. All right, so we're going to remove the tension rods, but we're going to do it in a radial or star pattern. And the purpose of this is to evenly increase or decrease the tension of the drum head and reduce the risk of warping the drum rim. So, carefully remove. Go. All right, with the old head removed, we're just going to go in there and just wipe down the interior. We're also going to make sure we clean the rim as well. Now to add the new head. Okay, we're going to make sure that we take our white lithium grease and just pour a little dab onto there. And that'll help to lubricate as we replace the head.